In exercise 2.1 in module 2, our first objective was to create a frequency table, which is what you see in front of you here. Now that we have this information, this was more labor intensive, we're going to move to the second part of the exercise, which is to use this data to create a histogram. I want to do it on a new sheet, so I'm going to open up the new sheet at the bottom here. And I'm going to need the data points, all 36 data points. I'm just going to copy them and transfer them over to the new sheet. Alright. And we will also need to create a histogram our upper limit for our bins or our categories or classes. And let's copy these and transfer them over here. Now we want to give a label here. We'll just call this bins, and let's highlight this text and highlight this as well, just to make it stand out a little bit. Alright, so to create a histogram, simply click on the data tab up top. All the way to the right you'll see data analysis, and you'll click that. Select histogram from the options. You're going to input your range, and your range is going to be your data points. Make sure you include the label as well. I'll explain why in a second. Once you've clicked the data cells, just hit enter for the input range. For the bin range, click the label and the upper limit of the bins and hit enter. Make sure the box for labels is checked. That will include these labels that we created within your histogram. The output range, just click that and then click on a cell where you want the output to go. So we'll just leave it right here and hit enter. Make sure at the bottom you check the chart output and simply click OK. And there you go. Our histogram with our frequency table is created, and you see it aligns with the frequency table right here to the left.